Welcome back, YouTube. Once again, we're here. This is on my S550 Mustang. We're doing the Pro Axleback exhaust, and I've opted for the black tips just so I don't have to clean them as much. If you want the silver ones, get the silver ones. It doesn't really matter. But this is the Pro kit. The street kit has the big mufflers, and then the race kit has no mufflers. So you choose what you want. Install is pretty much going to be identical for all of them. Add the muffler brackets to where when they curve in like this, both of them are going up into the inside. Line up the new pipe with the exhaust this way horizontally, line that up. Then line up the back pipe with this pipe this way, and then mark at the where it starts to flare out, mark it with a Sharpie, and then we're gonna cut this. Grab a Sawzall with a metal blade, and now you're gonna cut straight on that line you made. Well, once you cut it, all you have to do, it'll just slide right out of that hanger. Really easy, no big deal. I have it mocked up so the tip's sticking out too far and everything, but this is the difference. This thing weighs about 25-30 pounds, and this thing weighs maybe 8. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna drop at least 40 pounds with this install. So now that I have it mocked up, let's go ahead and put the clamps in their positions and tighten this one side up. Make sure the slots that are on here are fully covered with this pipe, and the same thing over here. The slots on the tip, make sure they are fully filled in with this pipe. And mine sits about like this, so it sticks out a little bit but not a lot. That's all there is to it to install this exhaust. So now we're just going to copy the same steps on the other side, and then we're going to go home and take a nap. There you go, it's all in. Now let's see what it sounds like.